Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the Valterra L double rotating valve, the ultimate convenient RV accessory for hassle-free waste management. This innovative sewer elbow combines a 1-1/2 inch waste valve and a 3-inch waste valve, allowing you to drain both gray and black water simultaneously without any mess. The rotating valves are designed for a clean and efficient experience, making it easy to manage your RV's wastewater system. With a 3-inch by 1.5-inch hub attachment, this valve fits many standard RVs and can be used as a replacement or an upgrade. Constructed from durable black plastic abs, this valve promises years of reliable use, ensuring your RV adventures remain stress-free. The versatile fit of the eccentric tank reducer, featuring a 3-inch spigot end and a 1-1/2 inch hub end, accommodates various setups, making it a must-have for any RV owner. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more RV tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.